Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany B representing Tiffany Dunn. She got it going on. Yes, honey, your hair bestie with all the tea for you. I want to welcome you to my channel and I want to welcome you to my show, Tiffany's Closet. And you're asking, what the heck is Tiffany's Closet? Well, many of us, we tend to do our hair and we have leftovers, and we keep these leftovers in bags. Maybe it's at the back of your car. Maybe it's in your trunk. Mine's neither places. I'll show you. Yep, you guessed it. This is it right here. It's my closet, Tiffany's closet, and that's where I keep all the leftovers, honey. So, when we look in, you'll see this part and this part. Those two shelves are dedicated to all my clientele. All my clientele. I might have one or two of my things in there, but not much. Mine are down here. You see the last two shelves? All four of those pink bags belong to me. I have a problem, okay? It's all my leftovers. Some have been donated, some haven't. But I think I have an idea. I think I know what I want to do. I'm going to go in the bag and I'm going to choose something. Well, I have something in mind. I think I'm going to do chunky single braids. Yes. Yes, honey. Yes. I'm going to do chunky single braids and I'm going to put them in. You're going to tell me if I should keep it or if I should sweep it. Is it trash or is it fash? Yes, honey. You know, it's COVID, so we got to do with what we got. And I know a lot of you have leftover hair. So, as I'm doing my single braids, why don't you go and see if you have any leftover hair for yourself? See if maybe you can do some single braids. I can't wait. Yeah. I think this is going to be good. Like, good. For this process, I used pre-stretched hair from X-pression. The colors I used were 1B, number 4, 1B27, which is an ombre, and 27 and 613. I did different combinations, some solid colors, some all 5 colors. And I think it turned out really nice. Your hair bestie is looking real good over here, honey. For the product, I used Shine and Jam in the red container. And for the parting, I did use 2 mirrors so I can get proper parting for the back. And as you see in the end, I'm going to add some fun stuff to it so your hair bestie can twirl, girl. Yes. Do you think this is a keeper or a sweeper? Yes. Hi everyone, this is the final look. I love it. This is basically all the hair I had left. And with this one, I added some fun cord to it. And then I found some leftover things that I could just put at the bottom and make it kind of fun. So yeah, this is my look, y'all. So look at your hair, bestie. Yes, honey, yes. Show them. Look back and say wagwan. Alright guys, so this is your chance to tell me if we're gonna keep it or we're gonna sweep it. You be the judge. That's your hair bestie signing out. Bye guys.